Okay, the highlights from GreatStockPicks.com, our live trading chat room on October 21st. Kevin W., one of our all-star moderators, did it again. First Solar was very strong, but one thing we like to do in our chat room is when something's overly strong or overbought, we look to short those. And Kevin called a short on FSLR right below this little 5-minute doji candle at 55.69, and that was the high of the day. What a great call! Went all the way down to 52.80. So almost $3 in our favor on 31 cents risk. Great call by Kevin. Stephen B., one of our all-star moderators, called LINE long at 28.13, and you can see what happened. So 28.13 was literally right there, and it went up to 28.85. It's always fun to go back and look at the entry calls. Brilliant call right there. I'll do the same thing on First Solar short. I like to, once the day is over, look and see where the calls were. You can see how clean that was. That was the short call right there on that red candle by Kevin. I didn't have any seller calls today. I did call OPK. Now this one I noticed as I'm just trading and clicking around. I noticed how big this is getting hit after a big move from 10 to 13, couple big red days, right? All right, and so then this wasn't even on my watch list, by the way. Then I heard over a news source that the chat room uses that they got some sort of approval or advertising approval in Spain. Again, I don't know the company. I don't know how relevant that is. But when I looked at the chart and I saw how beaten up it was for a couple days, I said, hey, this could work if it takes out the high of this base right here. So I'm not even, and I was clear about this. I said I'm not even interested unless it takes out this base to the upside. Otherwise, I'll just leave it alone. So my entry idea on it was, I believe, 1057 with a 1049 stop. And as I scroll, you can see there's the 1057, and it went right up. And I sold most of mine right there in the 1080, in the low 1080s when it hit that green line there. That's a great place to sell. That is actually the equivalent of the 20-period moving average on 15-minute candles, even though these are fives. So I got almost everything I could get out of that trade. Again, it doesn't look like much, and it wasn't a great call like LINE or First Solar like the other moderators, but still made decent money on it. And then late in the day, talking about shorting strength, I called a short in ARMH right there and got a real quick, I mean, look at that 20-minute sell-off, got a great payday there as well. Other than that, I didn't have much else, but a nice green day, great teamwork as always, and the All-Stars continue to shine. So I'm not going to babble any further. We'll see you guys tomorrow.